Hi, today I am going to tell you a story of a structure which has a strong belief that it was built by aliens. Watch the entire video and comment down below about your perception on this video. So now let us dive into the video. And the structure is Kailash Temple. Kailash Temple is situated about 30 km from the city of Aurangabad in Maharashtra. The rock cave temple of Ellora is the largest monolithic structure in the world. This temple is made by the technique called cut out monolithic. So now what I mean by the technique called cut out monolithic, it is a cutting of a single block of rock into a structure, whereas every structure is just opposite of it. It is the only temple in the world where a mountain was cut from a top to create this structure. So now to understand why this structure is different from other, let us see in the detail. Archaeologists confirmed that about 4,000 tons of rock was scooped out from a mountain to create this temple, which do not take years, it takes centuries to do so. On the other hand, historians don't have such a record and they believe that it was built in less than 18 years. Let us do a simple math to calculate the time taken to build this structure. I will be assuming that people work for 18 years for 12 hours a day without a single break. If 400,000 tons of rock was removed in 18 years, then 22,222 tons had to be removed every year. It means 60 tons for every day, which gives us 5 tons for every hour, which is even not possible to do so in today's world with a lot of advanced technology. Then who made it at that time? Forget about creating this structure. Let us see what happened when someone tried to destroy this structure. You will be shocked to know that Aurangzeb, a Muslim king, gave the order to thousands of his workers to demolish this temple in 1682 so that there should not be any traces of it. People worked for 3 years and they could do a minimal damage to this temple. They could only disfigure a few statues and realize it could not be possible to completely demolish this temple. Archaeologists agreed that Kailash temple was built before any other temple in Ellora cave complex, and this is the only which is visible from the air among 34 temples. This temple is built on very advanced technology. It has a bridge which connects towers, rainwater harvesting system, drainage system, hidden underground passages, staircase. To make these things, it need to be planned accurately before the cutting of mountain. As you all know that century people were having only chisel, hammer and pickaxes to create any structure. Do you still believe that it can be done by these tools? I hope we all will agree that it was built by much advanced civilization, whether it was human or aliens.